Okay, Ubuntu Touch. Can you please unlock? Wow, what we see?
So this is OnePlus One phone with Ubuntu. There is a terminal open.
Ubuntu Touch.
Ubuntu Touch, right. So swiping to the right allows you to see the processes, so you can just discard them. And here you can like standard Ubuntu, but also some of the applications usually installed, except for some of the unique stuff. So there is some kind of manual. We could also run like Wi-Fi scanner, see like there is an
It's not integrated application.
It's not integrated application, so we have a store.
It's the same store as usual Ubuntu desktop.
Not really. It's open store. So the
it's pre-installed.
Application, it's pre-installed in the firmware, but
firmware.
Firmware, like Ubuntu Touch is a
stock, ROM,
not stock. The Ubuntu, like the phone is called.
Yes, open show version in settings, please.
Yeah. It's OnePlus One. It's here. And I believe the stock should be Android or something. So this is alternative operating system for that is possible to install here. So this one is Ubuntu for OnePlus One Bacon, which is code name for this phone. And right now we have Ubuntu 16.
But it's current version.
It's current version, yeah, right. So it was updated just like a few days ago, or like a week ago, to be honest. And here we can like see like the rotation lock, like keyboards. I'm not sure what is the files do. Location didn't work for me. Bluetooth, it works, but I haven't found like embedded ability to share or receive files like Wi-Fi works. Pretty good. Like battery, I think it's quite good. Like the phone and the battery usage is quite good. I probably charge it once in 2 days. Also, well, I don't know like what to show here.
Telegram client unofficial.
Yeah, this one is not official.
But you can't make calls.
Also, yeah, you can phone people, receive SMS messages. It's not SMS, but SMS usually.
SMS?
SMS.
Source message.
I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
SMS.
SMS. So yeah, like it's kind of interesting to see the phone numbers. You need to press this invisible button from here, and to find people. You probably can start typing, and it will give you some of the
after
contacts.
Suggestions.
Yeah.
Can you please show web browser stock integrated?
Yeah.
It's what? Firefox?
Not really.
It's what engine?
I think it's Chromium, but with some differences. I cannot find what is.
You can open internet.yandex.ru and you will see a lot of information about user agent. Internet.yandex.ru.
I'm trying to find the case.
Or internet.ya.ru, 2 letters.
There are some jump links should appear here.
.ya. .ru. Yes, you can see in suggestions. Okay.
Damn.
Yep. Oh, no, it's DuckDuckGo. It's suggestions was bad. You can please copy this address and to address bar, because when you click to suggestions, it's only always
Okay,
search. But generally, you're satisfied with this browser, with your user experience, if you compare with Android?
well, there is some kind of emulation in Android. It should be there.
Emulations?
Yeah, there should be some emulations.
So you can install additional emulator layer software to run. Oh,
But
yes.
I
Yes, Google
haven't-
Chrome Mobile.
Yeah, I haven't installed the Android emulator, and without it, I cannot rent a car or call use the taxi applications, because everything that you see in Ubuntu, this open store, has been explicitly ported to UbiTouch. It's not like automatic. So people are adopting some of the things. There is some navigation. It's popular.
Can you please open some heavy popular website like CNN.com and try to scroll in this browser?
I'm not sure.
For example, CNN.com or what else on?
I'm
Or
not sure.
Wikipedia maybe. Yes,
Wikipedia.
open better Wikipedia because it's open.
All right.
Wikipedia.org.
There should be some
A suggestion you can
pages.
click to already after 2 letters. Yes, Wikipedia you see third
Yeah.
suggestion.
There is an article that should be cached that we could probably follow somewhere. Self-censorship, something like this. So I think it's pretty fast for reading. But if you okay, let's open like Filecoin or something like this.
Very heavy website, you mean?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
With OpenGL animations?
It's or OpenGL or WebGL. I'm not sure.
Yes, WebGL maybe.
Or even some Filecoin WebAssembly. It's pretty awesome on the desktop. But
Can you swipe like on Android on this keyboard? You know what is swipe?
no.
Maybe in settings.
But there are some settings. Yeah, it's swipe to move cursor, double to intersection mode. Maybe there are some settings. I'm not sure. I didn't try .io probably.
Maybe for mobile and click blue circle. It will start animation. Yes.
This one?
Yes, yes, I remember. But maybe on mobile it will be something else. And try to scroll. Maybe for mobile they maybe only on desktop user agent.
Yeah, there is on the desktop version there is an animation for all this stuff, but
Beautiful animations.
yeah, so websites with animation still work.
YouTube, how you watch YouTube? Is in browser or with some client? Maybe.
Well, usually I don't watch like YouTube on the.
And so
on
you
the
don't
phone,
have any
but-
client here? Only on through the browser?
Yeah, why not? Okay, let's see if there is any YouTube clients.
I remember on Android we have open source. I forgot how it's called. NetPipe. Type YouTube.
So there are some applications. I believe like
It's web applications.
more a few. Web app. This one is app. So I'm not sure like why I would use them.
Okay, what do you
This-
use? What do you use?
I'm just probably
Phone?
use,
Browser?
Yeah. Browser. I mean, if it works, why should I like use something else?
Apps works faster, consumes less battery, and you can disable screen and listen to videos. Maybe through the browser also.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to find something that not about the conflicts, but what is that?
About turtles. About
turtles. Okay, that's some natural content.
Здравия желаю, защитники Отечества. Мое обращение к вам. Гвардии подполковник запаса Сахащик Валерий Степанович.
No?
click
Представляюсь, поскольку уволился достаточно.
yes.
Alright.
And if you disable screen, will it continue to play?
By disabling screen, do you mean how?
Yes, on mobile phone. Disable screen and will we hear sound? Yes. Yes, it works.
So like music?
Yes.
No, it doesn't work.
Okay. It's why we need client. One of the reasons.
I'm trying to see if it supports like full screen, but
No full screen?
I cannot
Doesn't work.
hit the button, so I'm not sure. Like it pops up, but then kind of strange. I'm not sure how it's supposed to work. Probably it doesn't.
Okay. Can you please show some settings? What options do we have?
For what?
Operating system settings. Generally, are you satisfied with this operating system?
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's just an operating
Okay.
system.
Just
so,
works.
Yeah, there is like the Telegram client, the browser, it works. The sound recorder works. The Wi-Fi scanner works. I can like send, like communicate with people, browse some files. I'm not really watching like movies, so I'm using it as a phone. It rings. It has an alarm that's quite audible. I haven't missed one yet. So
Freeze? It's freezing?
yeah,
Frozen?
probably it's frozen. Sometimes it can just reboot. Yeah, this one is frozen right now. Usually just do the same. Yeah, you can actually like do all these things like you do with standard Ubuntu. Actually, we can try to restore it and see how long it
Beautiful
takes.
animation.
In seconds, I'm not sure. Like
How much random access memory on this phone? 2 gigabytes for?
I'm not sure. It's
What year of this phone? Maybe you remember? 5 years released?
I don't remember at all. Like it's not mine. It's like the people gave me, so I can just have something until I get something better. But so far, I didn't have the need to do something better because it works, and I kind of can be online for.
Also, obviously, with integrated terminal.
Yeah, and the community is like really supportive. I like this aspect.
Why
that
you support?
You can basically, if you're like dealing with technical like challenges, if everything is open, it's I think it gives this like comforting feeling that you can have. You can fix everything if you have the time and interest to understand how things work.
Back, no such gestures? How to?
Here is
Only this. VPN is integrated? Okay.
so you need to configure it, but I think it's Network Manager, the standard stuff that comes with the Ubuntu.
Libertine? What is it?
Classic Application Manager. That's probably something that allows you to run containerized applications.
Oh, are you sure? Wow.
I have no idea. Container blank for default name. Okay.
Whoa. Now install Docker
Something happens.
without asking. Manage. manage.
Well, probably
liver
it tries
time.
to start the container, and probably there's something you can run into the container. I wouldn't be surprised if there's like not Docker but LXD or something like this running inside. But access to the UI needs custom programming because it's not GNOME, as I understand it. It's QML applications that are targeted for this specific UI. Maybe it's Mir? Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Mouse. Dark theme is available. Dark mode.
Not sure.
It's all settings.
Yeah, well, I as I said, I didn't play much with that, so.
So okay, and how much CPU memory is random access storage?
So storage is 16, but then
random access memory.
I'm not sure how to like.
And what is inside developer mode? Maybe sudo.
You can in developer mode you can probably access some features with ADB, with standard like Android tools.
It's locked. Maybe you need to pass code. Okay, we don't need this.
Right. So
can you open terminal? It's stock terminal. Yes.
terminal is here.
Okay. Okay, just terminal.
With the keyboards.
What is lemon? White.
So, yeah. I'm not sure how to press escape here. Yeah, there is.
Oh, hold. Oh, nano? What is nano?
Change keyboard. I don't know. No, nano. Probably some keyboard function command case.
Oh, it's history.
Yeah, it probably. This is a case from GNU Nano for probably for those who are using GNU Nano. This should be the shortcut. So control keys, scroll keys, command keys. Command, that means S key. And then we can probably quit this stuff.
Colon Q.
So it's quite painful, but could be fun.
And another application.
All right. So you wanted to check the memory, right? Or what?
Yes, if you can.
I'm not sure if give you the whole statistics, but
Free 1 gigabyte. 100. Yes, 1 gigabyte.
probably 3 gigabytes total, and yeah, that one.
Okay, can you please show previous screen? I don't remember. It's a list of application where you start the terminal.
Yeah.
And, I forgot what I wanted. File manager. Can you please show file manager?
Sure, the stuff is hidden, but
Also, can you please open settings? I saw dark. Yeah, settings. No. File manager settings.
okay. File manager settings.
Yes. Theme. Yes, dark theme is available here. Just I loved maybe it's also better for screen if it's OLED.
There's some videos. I'm not sure if there are any non-private ones, so
Okay.
I better skip it for now.
Okay.
Not even sure when I mentioned. Oh, okay. I probably yeah. To probably see preview. I have no idea what can be there.
It's your video?
Yeah, that's Train Spotting.
Train spotting?
When you like watch the trains or meet the trains.
Like start of documentary movie.
But there was the movie about the drug addicts, I believe, called Transporting, some kind of genre, but it just like videos for.
Maybe he integrated Google Drive, no? Some WebDAV, can you mount right here, no?
There is some stuff.
Hamburger, if you click Hamburg, yes, what you use.
Yeah, there are places, and there are some of the things. There is no network, so it won't work. But
it worked because you have Wi-Fi. After reboot, it's disconnected.
You can add some shortcuts to these places.
Okay, some other software interesting. Something interesting in Ubuntu Touch.
I'm not using.
What is the bottom with logo? If you click, what you will see? Yes, with logo of Ubuntu.
This one is just opens the installed applications.
It's all applications in one screen. Yes.
Yeah, I'm not using much, so some of these, like most of these, are default.
But can you please show desktop? You have some icons. Okay, just empty desktop.
Just empty desktop. No, it's not moving up.
And maybe the last camera. Can you please start camera? Use camera settings.
Oh, this one. It could be.
Camera works okay on this phone. Some settings, codec, VP9 maybe support.
So here is the settings.
It's all settings. Maybe some deeper menu.
I'm not sure about
video format. Can you choose video format?
These are the quality of the videos.
Yes,
but
pixels.
I'm not sure what about the
video format, for example.
No, I'm not sure. That's probably all the settings it does.
If switch to video, it was photo.
Okay.
Click yes. So. And now maybe it's all settings.
So it's HD or not HD.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see.
Okay, can you please start market store again? Maybe we can see number how many applications available to install from this open store. It's not the same as Ubuntu, as you say. Yes, we see numbers here. Not a lot of, but maybe. Not a lot of applications. For example, graphic. Maybe you want to install some application?
Yeah, you can choose something to try.
Can you please do it, because I'm focused on video to have focus. What do you want to install?
Nothing.
Yes.
Well, I have no idea what I need right now. Let's see. Let's tackle some productivity stuff, or like there's some usually like new and updated.
Maybe Wikipedia application.
Okay.
Maybe it will be
Or
just web app.
what is this?
Spotify maybe
An
alternative
official
clients.
Spotify. I don't have Spotify account. Or they don't pay that much to musicians.
Only
Give
Deutschland, Wikipedia
a
Deutschland.
lot to themselves.
Strange.
Maybe they have some restrictions.
Maybe some podcast application because
Okay, podcast application use. What is that?
maybe you just type in search podcast.
This is Xcloud X Reader.
Because podcast application is not integrated in Ubuntu Touch, and you need some dedicated one. Podcast. What? Is this icon with bug? What does it mean? Smile, heart, pocket
Probably
cast?
that there is a lot of bugs here, like 4 bugs.
Oh, okay. Try install Pocket
Um,
Cast.
but
Here in this store, all applications are open source or proprietary also.
Well, I thought that these are all open source, but there is one application that here is Wi-Fi transfer. It's pretty nice. It's like opens FTP server so that you can share the files from the phone with your computer. But I couldn't find the source for it. So it's available from the store, but no repository, nothing. So kind of interesting to know what happened.
You like this logo? Okay, so small.
No idea what I'm
It's interesting. Button screenshots. We see
doing,
some.
but it's search
pretty
for new
simple.
podcasts. All right, open.
Podder.
Welcome
And swipe, swipe, swipe.
to move between pages. Discover
Okay.
settings, touch gestures, supports. Enjoy.
It looks not like web application, yes. It looks like native. Works fast, yes. And try maybe Hidden Brain podcast. You know, it's famous from National Public Radio. Type in search. Maybe here, search.
Okay, where it will search.
Local or online? We have no Wi-Fi connected for now. Can you please show how you connect
Really?
Wi-Fi? Maybe it will remember
We will.
password. Because my tethering keys still works. We will show how Wi-Fi connections works. Menus.
Well, it's not.
It's connected.
like-
Poco X3 Pro. No, okay.
That's it.
But icon was... it's connected,
That's it.
yes?
Yeah.
Okay, and search...
Icon is green.
Okay, Wi-Fi is connected
Yeah.
after reboot.
So
But
I'm not sure-
but on icon it's locked. It's protected.
I'm not sure how do you add new podcasts?
Click magnifier and the top search to add by URL. But in hamburger podcast button at the left was hamburger. Yes, click yes and podcasts. What does it mean? Okay, you only direct.
So search means
Local.
local, probably, right? Because well,
Maybe you can try another podcast application on the market. I was first, and list was. Oh, yes, it works. And try some subscribe. You know what you're looking for.
yeah, I'm exactly
Detroit?
trying to find Detroit Daily.
You like this?
It's quite good, but it's not here. Okay,
Try maybe another one, or another podcast application, or another podcast here.
I will try to find it on the
URL
on the URL. Yeah, it's quite obviously it can.
without voice search here.
No voice search. Yeah.
You can type faster, like this if you move.
Daily Detroit, actually, it will be different. So how to find the URL for the podcast, or it just can detect it?
No,
from
no,
here?
no. Icons you see,
Yeah.
icons in the middle of the screens,
Yeah.
and yes,
one?
maybe this icon. It's XML, .xml.
I-
You can try to open, and you will see if it's XML or not.
some kind of
no.
overcast. Not sure.
No, it's not what we are looking for.
It's interesting how they are doing the tabbing. So tabs are also like pop up from here. Mhm. Daily Detroits. So latest episodes, follow, share. So I'm not sure how to subscribe. Any ideas?
At the top with icons near iTunes, at the top of this page, yes, in the middle of screen, maybe fourth icon.
So
Yes.
which one of those?
RSS feed. Copy this link, yes.
Then we go. Paste.
What was the URL? Try again.
Looks like it was some shortener, so it doesn't work.
Click to this URL because maybe it will be resolved to
Yeah.
open. Click, yes, and we will need to see XML file. Maybe yes, and now you see link is unpacked from short.
But it doesn't give any errors about the invalid.
Yes. Maybe just in search I remember 3 podcast clients. Nothing.
It still doesn't work. That's strange.
But okay, it's enough.